Hi, this is Maryam from Crochet Pattern, and today we're going to learn how to crochet this pattern. To begin, start chaining, and your chains should be a multiple of 3. I made 24 chains to demonstrate. Now add 4 more chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now skip the first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make 3 double crochets into the 5th chain. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next 2 chains and make 3 double crochets into the 3rd one. 1, 2, and 3. And repeat this process. Skip the next 2 chains, make 3 double crochets into the next, and continue this process to the end. At the end of the row, you'll have 2 chains left. Skip the first one and make 1 double crochet in the last. And these first 3 chains that we skipped at the beginning of the row count as 1 double crochet. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 1. For row 2, turn your project and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. And if it's too high, make 1 single crochet plus 1 chain. Now we reached this group of 3 double crochets. Skip the first one and into the second one, make a double crochet, chain 1, and make another double crochet. And into every second stitch of the group of 3 double crochets, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet to the end of the row. At the end of the row, make 1 double crochet into the last double crochet. The last double crochet is that chain 3 that we skipped at the beginning of row 1. Make your last double crochet into that 3rd chain. This is how it looks like at the end of row 2. Row 3, turn your project and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains, and if it's too high, 1 single crochet plus 1 chain. Now we reached this V shape and make 3 double crochets into this space. 1, 2, and 3. And into every V shape, make 3 double crochets, and into the last double crochet, make 1 double crochet. Our last double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains that we made at the beginning of row 2. Make your last stitch into that 2nd chain. This is how we make our last double crochet. So our last double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains that we made at the beginning of row 2. The 2nd chain is right here, and make the last double crochet into that chain. And this is the end of row 3. And from here, repeat row 2 and 3 until you get the desired length. And this is how it looks like at the end. Hope you liked this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, write your comments down below, like this video, and share it to your friends. See you in next tutorials. Bye!